Hello and welcome to infotechinformer. I have received so many requests for creating a video on how to transfer Dascoins to GokuMarket. In this video I am going to show you the process to locate your Dascoins, which is now known as Green Power Token. That is GRN. So without wasting time, let's get started. In 2017, so many people purchased Dascoins through NetLeader's licenses. Some stayed completely updated with what is happening with Dascoin and how it became GRN. But some of them still don't have any idea that what happened to Dascoin. Their question is it still in the market or vanished? The answer is yes, Dascoin is still in the market. In its new form, Green Power. And also Green Power coin is now migrating on Ethereum blockchain and becoming GRN ERC20 token. As per the latest updates, you have to convert your old GRN coins into new GRN ERC20 tokens. This conversion process is called as GRN Swap. The last date to swap your old GRN is 28 February 2021. If you don't swap your old GRN before 28 February 2021, then your all coins will be burned forever. But nothing to worry, you still have enough time to complete the process. The complete instructions for GRN swap process are given on its official website, that is www.grnpower.io. So the question is, how do I find my Green Power coins? Those who kept their Dascoins on WebWallet, their coins were automatically transferred to DasWallet and then to Ledgeron Wallet. And finally, their coins were automatically transferred to GokuMarket exchange account. During this migration process, Dascoin became Green Power coin. Now, I will show you the process to find your Green Power coins. Go to GokuMarket's official website, that is www.gokumarket.com. Now click here on Login. Now click on Forgot Password. The direct link is given in the description box. Now, you have to enter the email address you used for WebWallet, DasWallet, or Ledgeron Wallet. If you don't remember your email ID, then you can find it from Ledgeron Wallet, but for this, you must know your WebWallet, DasWallet, or Ledgeron Wallet username and password to log in. Let's find the email ID now. Go to ledgeron.com. Link for Ledgeron website is given in description. Now click here on Login. Enter your WebWallet, DasWallet, or Ledgeron Wallet username and password here. And click on Login. Click here on Go to Light Dashboard. Now click here on Account Settings. Click on Wallet Settings. Here is your email ID. Now copy the email ID from here. Go to GokuMarket tab. Paste the email ID here. Click here to complete CAPTCHA. Now click on Reset Password. The reset password link will be sent to your email ID. Now, open your email ID. Open the mail and click on Reset Password. A new GokuMarket tab will open to reset the password. Now, enter password you want to set. Again, enter same password here. Now click on Reset Password. Your password will be updated successfully. Note down your email ID and password on paper. Now, click on Login. Enter email ID and password you noted down. Click here to complete CAPTCHA and click on Next. Now your GokuMarket account will be open. Now, you have to complete the KYC formalities. As you can see here, account is not KYC verified. You must complete your KYC for processing GRN Swap. Link for doing KYC process is given in the description box. And after completing your KYC process, you can proceed for GRN Swap process. You can check your GRN balance here. Now, complete the KYC process and proceed for GRN Swap. I have already made video tutorials on complete procedure for GRN Swap. All links are in description box. Just follow the instructions from the tutorials to swap your GRN. If you need further assistance, please join official Telegram group of GRN community. That's it, you can find your green power coins. Now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please write your queries and suggestions in comment box and subscribe this channel to stay updated with latest technologies.